Good day and welcome to this Norakle user guide video. So today we're going to be looking at how we can create customers receipts. So to do that, you come over to customers receipts. So we'll add receipts. So you select the customers, you enter the customer's details. So you enter your remark. So you come here to set the receipt amount, how much customer paid. So once you are done, you click create receipt. So operation was successful, showing the amount the customer paid. So to view the receipt, so we can see here the status is showing complete. It's showing complete. Then we have some actions here. You can print the receipt, so you can send to the customer. If not, you can decide to edit. You can also decide to delete. So maybe you made a mistake, you can come over here to edit the receipt and then update. So that is how you can create customer receipts. You can also view the receipt, you can edit the receipt, and you can print the receipt. Thank you.